Oh, just continue. This is Alan. Say hello, Alan, again.
Hello, I'm just been the man who's buttoned the 23 for Derek and he shot him well.
Yeah, good buttoning, you see. Apart from when Pask had it, Pask gave me a little bit of a... yeah, he's got the button, you see. And there he is, look, sponsored by, look, Birdsall Farms, look, Pontefract. Okay, big day here, we're back at East Yorkshire Gun Club. And so far, the weather's holding up for us very nicely. We've now moved up to the wooded area where we're going to shoot what they call some sporting. It needs to be sporting. Pascal is tooling up, look, there he is, as you can see, the Stallion Star, tooling up. Sporting, we don't really know what we're doing, but we're trying.
Whoa.
There it comes. And it's kills to count, so you can shoot it twice if you're capable. Or if you fancy it. Was this all my bum? Oh, yes.
I don't know what that means.
Pass on the button, look, Pass has got the control there in his hand, that's what controls it all.
See over there.
So Alan's off again now. And that's the bird up there on the left. Kill. Yeah, that's D there, it says D. Big D. So,
From right to left, from there to there.
all right.
Wait a minute.
Beautiful, beautiful. Like a professional pass.
This is incoming from over there.
Happy.
Ready? Yeah. Here it comes.
There it comes. Yes, dead bird. Lovely, lovely.
Just see how many of that.
Well, just see how many you've had, Alan.
Al, just let me know.
And Pask's checking his buttons.
41 on there.
41.
So I've had 9.
The gun. It's a what?
DT11 trap gun. I've just purchased it and it's really for trap shooting, but we're going to have a go at sporting with it.
Right, and
So-
what? Tell us a bit about the gun.
Yeah, it's a Beretta, it's Italian made. They're very popular at the moment. They seem to be, wherever you look, they seem to be a DT11 anyway.
Oh well, there you go, Pask.
Obviously it's better in the right hands, but
Yes, well, what I mean.
And it's cheap at 12 grand.
Yeah, I mean, what do you expect?
and I also carry my own clays with me.
Yes, just in case you need to break
In
one.
case I miss one,
Yeah, yeah.
and I throw it out.
Yeah, that's okay. I already told him about it. You're all right, Alan, don't worry. We've got a beep.
So you won't.
Right, so this is the button. Look what Alan's using. Look, this is the button. What's gonna looks like a set of some of them Chinese things you rub on your back, on your feet. But there we go.
Abacus.
The abacus, yeah, it might be. Now Pascal is gone now.
B.
B, that's over
Oh.
there.
On its way.
There it comes. Perfect pass, perfect. Oh yes.
Get over there for see. I'm not seeing it.
I can see Pass joining up the team here. Hey? My God.
What's his seed that you can hardly see?
Where is it? Show me where it is.
That's tower there.
Oh yeah, I can see it tower there.
Right, watch it come. When you're ready, Pass. Whoa.
Oh yes, I can see it. Oh, it's going up at once. That's an hard bird, isn't
I
it?
couldn't fucking see. I couldn't
Yeah,
see.
that's an hard bird, that. Oh, what? When it falls on ground, Pass. When it falls on ground, we'll run up and kick it.
D.
D. That's over here.
That's that. Yeah. Whoa.
Oh yeah.
Well, shot, mate. I couldn't see gun coming down. Ah, good that. E. Whooper. Right to left. Go.
Oh.
Kidding us.
Yeah, I think Pass sandbagging a bit
I
here.
know what's going to do it go. You're going to take that red bead off front, aren't you? Where are we now?
I don't know. Carry on. Tricky.
Go.
Oh, but not for Pasquale.
It makes you shoot it quick.
Not for the mighty Beretta, if I might say, the mighty
Not for the
Beretta.
new DT11.
Whoa. Not for the new DT11, Pass. How's it going, that gun so far, Pass?
So far.
So far.
8.
All things could change any time.
Left to right, one away.
Full.
Oh, Pask, I should sell the gun and just keep that one. Hey?
We are now, the three of us, at East Yorkshire Shooting Ground. Derek is about to have a go at sporting with his mighty black.
The mighty black.
The mighty black
Beretta.
DT11.
Yes.
Got Alan on the right hand side here.
There's
who's a
Alan.
veteran at sporting.
There's Alan. He's a veteran.
Who
A veteran.
shoots 7 days a week at the north of England.
Yes. You got Pasquale in the
Usually
middle.
cleans up everywhere. But
Pasquale
anyway,
in the middle. Look.
Alan's on the button today.
Yes.
No, sorry, made a mistake. I'm on the button. Alan's going to film Derek.
Alan's on camera.
Don't forget, Derek and the mighty black.
Right.
Here we go.
The mighty black bloody rubbish. So you can go back to the shop. This. Right. It's hard work. This. What? Overhead target coming at you. Perfection. See, that's how to do it. Perfection. Showing off now a little there. Me and Pask. Pask's the adjudicator. Pask is the official adjudicator. Oh. He's going out to try and get the towel on. There it goes. Nobody's hit that tower.
I'll get it later on, half foot more there. Derek's favourite.
Yep.
Whoa!
Perfect.
Loop, right to left. Whoa! Going up, Al. Whoa! I can't get it. Yeah, go again. Hey. You're the pair. I'm sure we do the pair. Whoa!
Oh, lost. 14 birds as pairs.
Whoa!
Oh, yes.
What you want? You ready? Yeah.
Tower now.
Well,
Just waiting for it to come.
well.
So now we're coming over to Pask. We've moved forward a bit in the rain. I might wobble. Yeah.
Okay, don't go past.
Yeah, and we're going to have a go.
Don't come first time.
Right. Pask's going to shoot the trap now. This is how to do it. The Italian stallion is going for it.
Pull.
There it goes. Yes, you got it, Pass. You got it with first clay.
How long it took it to get there? Yeah.
Do it again, Pass. You can do it.
He took top at clay up as well. Well,
Oh, hard luck. Being an F coming for Pask.
well. It's coming. It's coming.
It's here.
F.
Lovely pass. Pass going for the high tower again now.
Oh.
Here it comes. Oh.
Got it. Next shot.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Are you on drugs?
No, I got it.
Did you get it? Yeah, Pass got that one. He codded him.
If you want to show that, and then I'll give you the B on the floor.
Right.
So what would it be? Hey. Go.
Oh, hard luck, Pass.
Quick.
Quick pass. Oh! Oh!
Yes, you got it. What do you want? What about the C coming out? E,
Yeah.
Then an F on the fourth one. N, E.
Okay, Pass going for an E and an F.
So,
There we go. Lovely.
way.
Lovely. Oh, lovely. I'd buy that gun if I were you, Pask.
Already bought
Oh, have you already bought it? Well, I should have known, shouldn't I? Hey?
it. Bought it.
Look, and you get a bit of exercise as well, picking up your shells, Pask. Yeah. Please. Oh, and he missed the throwing. He missed the throwing. Terrible shot. I should take that gun back, Pask. Take that gun back now. Obviously it don't work. Anything that's coming, Pass once, anything. No, bugger. No, we can't claim that one, Pass. I'm sorry, but the adjudicator says no. There we go now, look.
I'm going to get a ring up pen. This is outfit is the hardest pair.
Oh, well done, Pass. Overhead shot here. This is Pask in all his glory.
Pass. Check it again, but take your name off. You let trap click me. Pull.
What do I close it?
I'm looking straight. When you look at it, that part wants to be just sat on my eye.
Do I have both eyes open while I'm looking at you?
You should have, aye.
Go on then, do it again. It makes a good blur, if yeah, I can see it is, yeah. I wonder if I shut one eye. That's what I used
You
to
can
do.
try it, but you know, God give you two.
I'll try to.
Yeah.
One. One.
You're going underneath target.
Film you again.
Yep.
Exactly the same.
See, I shut my left eye then. So let's try it again on my left eye. One. One. I'll try it both eyes open then now. See if it does.
Not far away.
In fact, shall I close both eyes, Pask?
Nah, that could be a good thing.
One.
Underneath 6 inch to a foot.
Am I?
Yeah. Keep your head on stock, Derek.
Is my head coming off at stock?
Keep your head on stock. Nice and gentle.
Well,
You're that far under target every time. You want to lift up that comb so you can't get your face too far
fucking
down.
hate these. I mean, I never like these sort of. Let me shut my eye again. Watch this. Well,
Beautiful. What did you do then?
shut my eye.
He shut his eye. Both eyes open though, he's that far under target.
Well, shut my eye.
Left eye. It's okay. Is it bad? Is one of your eyes bad?
No.
No.
That's the only time I've ever known from Nottingham shooting. If I have to shoot a going away bird, I've got to shut my left eye.
Well, sometimes if you shut and open, then cool. They call it rifling it.
Shut and open it. Well,
Underneath both times then. Oh, sorry, Pask. You can't aim at the fucking
Gone
ring.
off again, Derek.
just tap the screen press, that's all. Just touch it. Right.
Derek, you've shot 27.
It's okay.
Is it?
You got 22 left.
Well, I shot again.
Funny, that, isn't it?
Well,
I shot.
I shot.
Murdering them.
Yeah, I shot. That's funny that.
Well,
Could have pegged one.
well.
Is that the one I closed, D?
Yep. Well,
Can't fault with that, can you?
What is that one?
well. Both eyes open then.
Underneath it, first shot.
Are you going to save some for ski?
I've got plenty.
You're not even battled a bit in my finger.
For that. Well,
That's a good shot.
Yeah.
well.
You sit in the middle of clay each time, hasn't he?
Yeah.
Go,
One's getting
go to another stand. Well, well.
Second shot. You've got 5 shots, Derek.
5 shots.
5 shots to go.
Come to the right of the trap.
Well,
How easy did you make that?
well.